Good morning, student. Today we are going to start the exercise 5, which is simple interest. Question number first, second, third are complete in the previous lecture. So today we are going to start a new question, which is question number 4. Find the sum of money on which the interest equals. Here is given find the sum of money. हमें क्या करना? Find the sum of money on which the interest equal. First is given rupees 5,700 in 3 years at the interest rate of 4% per annum. Okay, see the question. See the solution of this question. First question is given 5,700 in 3 years at the interest rate of 4% per annum. Solution. First you let the sum of money be 100 rupees. So let the sum of money be 100 rupees, given that rate is given how many? 4%. So here we write 4% per annum. See, per annum means per year. Yesterday I told to you that when we take time in year, here is given time 3 years. Okay, so time is 3 years. Then simple interest equals to what? We know that simple interest equals to what? P into R into T upon 100, which is simple interest. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. So put the value. Here we let the money be 100. So P equals to 100. So 100 into 4 into 3. 4 is the rate, 3 is the time upon 100. 100 to 100 cancel out. 4 into 3 equals to 12. So simple interest equals to 12. Amount, and we know that amount, or you can say amount A equals to P plus SI. SI is 12 and P. Let P be what? 100. So 100 plus 12 equals to 112 rupees. Okay. So the amount is 112 when the principal is 100. ये जो अमाउंट आया है कब आया? जब हमने प्रिंसिपल क्या लिया था? 100 रुपीज़ लिया था. यहाँ पर हमने क्या लिया था? सम ऑफ अमाउंट भी 100 रुपीज़. सम ऑफ द अमाउंट इज 100 रुपीज़. तब हमारा जो आया अमाउंट आया वो 112 आया. तो वही चीज़ हमने लिखा द अमाउंट इज 112 व्हेन द प्रिंसिपल इज what? 100 रुपीज़. द अमाउंट इज़ 1 रुपीज़. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि अमाउंट, ये अमाउंट 1 रुपीज़ हो जाए तो हमारा प्रिंसिपल कितना होगा? 100 अपॉन 112 होगा. इसको हम इससे डिवाइड कर देंगे. अब हमें क्या कह रहा है? हमारा जो अमाउंट होना चाहिए वो कितना होना चाहिए? 5,700 रुपीज़ होना चाहिए. तब हमसे प्रिंसिपल पूछ रहा है, वो पूछ रहा है. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? So the amount is 5,700 when the principal is this into this. After solving we get 47,500 rupees. The answer is 47,500. So the required sum of money is, so principal is what? 47,500 rupees. So see the second part of this question. Second, rupees 13,875 in 5 years at the interest rate of 6% per annum. Okay, let the sum of money be rupees 100, given that rate equals to 6% per annum and time equals to 5 years. So simple interest, when we find, then we let the principal is 100. Okay, so P equals to 100 into R equals to 6 and time equals to 5. So put the value. 0 to 0 cancel out. 6 5s are 30. So simple interest equals to 30 rupees. So amount equals to P plus SI, or you can say A equals to P plus SI. P equals to 100. SI equals to 30. So rupees 130. The amount is 130 when the principal is 100. Amount will be what? 130 when the principal will be 100. So the amount is rupees 1 when the principal is 100 upon 130. This, okay. So the amount is 13,875. Here is given what? Amount is 13,875. Then this, when the principal is what? 100 upon 130 into 13,875. After solving this equation, we get 46,250. So the required sum of money is 46,250. This is the required answer. Okay. The next question is question number 5. In what time will? First, what time will means here we want to find the time. The first question is given, the interest on 6,000 becomes, the interest on 6,000 became 1,200 at rate 5% per annum. Here is given P equals to 6,000 and SI, or you can say I, interest equals to 1,200 at the rate 5%. So here we want to find the time, means T. So how to solve? See the solution of this equation, question. P equals to 6,000, okay, and interest I equals to 1,200, rate equals to 5%. So interest equals to P into, or you can say SI, simple interest, okay, both are same. P into R into T upon 100, rupees 1,200, put the value P 6,000 and R 5 and T, we want to find the T, so here we put T. 0 to 0 cancel out and 60 left and 5 and plus 3. So we put we want to find the value of T, so this comes to the denominator of the 1,200. So 1,200 upon 60 into 5. Okay, 0 to 0 cancel and 5 to the 10. Sorry, 6 to the 10 and 0. 20. 5 4 the 20. So here is T equals to 4 years. This is the required answer. See the next question of this question. Rupees 8,500 amount to this at the interest rate 9% per annum. Here is given amount. Here is given amount 15,385 at the interest rate. Interest rate here is given. This is P, principal, and amount is this, and rate is 9. So how to solve? First we find the interest. See, here is given amount and P. When we find simple interest, then we find first we find simple interest. We know that here you can write like this. We know that what? Amount equals to P plus SI. Equation number 1. Put the value of amount 15,385 and principal 8,500. So here is it. So after solving this, get simple interest equals to 6,885 rupees. Okay, this is the simple interest. So again we know that simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. Put the value of simple interest and P and R. After solving this equation, we get the value of T. Okay, see, the T is the 9 years. This is the solution. Okay, so the question number 6. Find the rate of simple interest if. Find the rate. Here we want to find the rate, means R. Here is given the interest on this for 3 years is 600, means here is given principal and this is given SI, or you can say I. Okay, and time is given 3 years. We want to find the R, means rate. So how to solve? Here is given P equals to 4,000 and T equals to 3 years. SI equals to 600, R equals to nothing. We want to find. Okay, so here is question mark. We know that, first we know that SI equals to P into R into T. P is given 4,000, so here we put 4,000. R R is not given, we want to find. T is given 3 and SI is given 600. So first here is 6. Okay, 0, this 0 cancel out this 0 and this 0 cancel out to this 0. Okay, so R equals to 60 upon 12. 4 3s are 12. When we solve this equation, the 12 come to this denominator. So 12 5s are 50. So R equals to 5%. Okay, clear? So the next part is homework for you. This is easy. This question, the solution of this question is like the solution of the first part. So this question is homework for you. Okay, the next question number 7. See, if farmer takes a loan of 8,400, so principal is this 8,400 at the simple interest rate. Here is given rate is what? 7 1 upon 2%. So R equals to this. Okay, after what time? Here we want to time. See, here is written what time, means we want to find the time T. Okay, will have to pay this clear to debt. So this is amount, this is P and this is R. Okay, so how to solve? See the solution of this question. If farmer takes a loan, that means P, principal is 8,400 rupees. Rate is given, R is given 7 1 upon 2%. When we solve, 7 to the 14 1 15 15 upon 2% per annum. Amount is given 10,920. We want to find time. So this is question mark. First we know that A equals to P plus SI. This is equation number 1. Put the value of amount and principal. Again we find the SI, means simple interest. After solving this equation, we get simple interest equals to 2,520 rupees. Okay, and also we know that simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, P into R into T upon 100. Put the value of SI equals to 2,520 and P is what? 8,400 rupees and R is 15 upon 2. Okay, and we want to find the T. So 0 to 0 cancel out. So 84, 15 upon 2 and T. This is 2, 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so 42 into 15 come to the denominator of this value. So after solving we get T equals to 4 here. This is the required answer. Okay, this is the required answer. Clear?